Hello, today I'll be introducing you to FlameTask. FlameTask makes it effortless to identify what to inspect or service, find equipment, add deficiencies, create reports, and schedule future dates for service more efficiently with higher confidence. Now I'm in the FlameTask app and it shows me which sites are scheduled for me to inspect today or this month. I'll tap on this site and up comes every piece of equipment at this site. But I need to know what to inspect and service. So I'll tap on the Inspection Due and Service Due tabs. And just like that, I have my to-do list. Let's inspect this top one. This site is enormous and the location, third garage, isn't helpful. So I'll tap on it and press View on Floor Plan. This is a huge time saver. Okay, I found my way to the equipment and I'll scan it to make changes. Almost instantly, the equipment details and services appear. It looks like the annual inspection is due. Let's perform this inspection by tapping on it and pressing Perform. I have set up some questions to appear on the yearly inspection, so I'll answer them now. Great! This inspection has advanced the due date to next year, and it has disappeared off the inspection due list. The site owner has told me they don't want this next extinguisher inspected. So I'll tap on it and select Did Not Want Done. It will create a historical record letting us know why the inspection is still outstanding on the reports and remove the equipment from the inspection due list temporarily. The following equipment is an exit light in a dark room. So I'll press the flashlight button to scan the barcode. The light burnt out, so I'll add a deficiency. When I come back with a new light, I will run the Replace Light Unscheduled service. I'm on Wi-Fi, so my changes have already synced automatically to the cloud. If I were offline, my changes would sync whenever I open the app with an internet connection. Now, let's take a look at the web system. I have another site that needs us to do an additional inspection every month. I can create a site called Monthly and set it on this site. Then, in the monthly service configuration, I can enable it only for sites with this type. There are several advanced configuration options available for setting up services. We can change the frequency from year down to minute. We can even change the date of another service. For example, we could use this to avoid the annual and monthly inspection from landing in the same month. Or if this is a midway check between services, you can ensure the date stays at halfway ahead or behind another service. Each equipment type has a list of models. Selecting the model when adding equipment will let the equipment know what equipment type it is and what services belong to it, setting the initial due date based on the manufacture date. These two fields allow for highly efficient equipment input. Service months group due inspections and services into selected months within the current year. This lets you plan trips to a site. After performing an inspection or service, the due date will move to the closest selected month for the equipment type and site. FlameTask has many more powerful configurations, such as custom fields for sites, equipment, and models. There are many reports in FlameTask, but let's take a look at the inspection report. It will list all of the equipment at the site with history records displayed underneath. If the next service date is overdue or the last inspection is due, a line will appear in red. That is all for today's presentation. Thank you for watching this demo. You can sign up for a trial and check it out. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.